Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to fix OneDrive keeps asking to sign in OneDrive app at 2026. So why OneDrive keeps asking you to sign in? This loop usually happens because of corrupted sign-in tokens, app cache issues, battery and background restrictions, switching between the personal and work accounts, outdated app or OS, even the Microsoft account security change or like password and verification. So the first step is to make sure that you are using the correct account. So if you have more than one Microsoft account, OneDrive may keep rejecting the session. So open the OneDrive and tap on your profile icon that's located on the top left, and after that confirm the exact email. If wrong, you can go and sign in or sign out and then sign in with the correct one. Even you can add an account just from here without signing out from the current one. Personal and work school accounts are handled differently. Okay, the second step is to fully sign out, and that's important. Okay, so you will need to go with settings from here, and after that you will need to tap on personal and then just go with sign out. Close the app completely after signing out, so you will need to go with the recent apps and just swipe away the app, and after that relaunch it or reopen it and sign in again. Then restart your phone, and yeah, this clears stack authentication services, so you will need to go with reboot. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching and goodbye.